Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 6i, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So before we get started, you will need to grab one of these SIM ejector. It comes provided with the device in a box, so you can get it from there, or you could also use a paper clip, straighten one on the ends, and it should work just as well. So anyway, once we get that, you want to pop out the tray. So we do need to take off the casing if you have one on your phone. Go, and the tray looks to be located on the upper left side of the device, as you can see right above the volume keys. So right over here, push the pin in, the tray will pop out, and once you take it out, as you can see, you have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. Now I will be occupying one of each, like so. And now let's insert it back into the device. Now you want to do it carefully, just so the cards don't pop out. There's nothing really holding them in place, so they could just kind of like jump out of the tray. There we go. And I do have a pin on my SIM card, so obviously it is asking for it. So the SIM card is working, and let's also look for the SD card. And I'm looking for the storage section, but it's in a weird place, so I can't find it. So let me just, it's an additional settings, logical place to keep storage in. So there we go. As you can see, right here is the SD card, so the card is working as well. So anyway, this is how you would insert SIM and SD card into your phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.